I gotta wake up. Oh my goodness. I forgot my phone. Oh no. It's fine. Let me get my glasses. I'm gonna go down here. Actually, I'm gonna brush my hair. Oh my goodness. At least it's not that bad today. It's not that bad. Okay, let's put some toothpaste. Ugh, this is gonna taste disgusting. Disgusting. I have to be quiet because the kids are sleeping. Brush, 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 brush. Brushy dash dash. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, brush your teeth. Okay, I'm all done washing my hands. I'm tired. Let's open the toilet. Okay. Wipe. I should have not washed my hands before, but it's fine. Just wash it again. What should the kids eat today? Let's just turn on this. Today we're going to the beach, but we don't have any swimsuits. So we're gonna need to get some swimsuits. I'm gonna make them eggs. Let's grab the pot. Turn on the stove. Flip them, flip. Flip. Okay, put that there. I'm gonna make some tea or some coffee. Just gonna. Okay, now I need my cup. It says my house is full, but I knew it's full. Oh no, I filled it with water. Just drink that. Put the coffee in. Is it off? Oh. Okay. Put the milk. More milk. There's 2 types of milk. Caramel. Okay. Now, just wait for the eggs. Good morning. Gotta get my glasses. Okay. I will, for today, I get dressed in the morning. I don't know. I don't like not being dressed, so I'm just gonna dress right now. Actually, we're going to the Watermelon Wife Club, so maybe I could, not the Watermelon Wife Club. Well, we have to pick up swimsuits there, and then we can go somewhere else. I'm just gonna put this on then. It's not that hot outside. It's really hot out. I might feel it. Well, in the morning, it's not that hot, so it's fine though. Gotta brush my teeth. Oh my goodness. Brush. Okay, all done. Now go to the toilet. Okay, now I can wipe. Flush. Soap. We're almost out of soap. I think we will need to buy some more. Hi, babe. Hi. Oh. Can you hold my coffee? Yeah. Okay. Oh my. Put that right there. Okay. Put that up there. Turn that off. Okay. So the kids' breakfast is ready. Thank you. There's 2 spatulas. It's fine. We can give them some water for, or in the morning. Okay, put that right there. Gonna get some coffee too. Okay, oops. I don't like this milk. I only like, well, this is half and half. I like half and half, not the milk. Okay. Okay. Just drink our coffee for a minute, and then we can wake up the kids. Okay. Now we can wake up the kids. Can you wake them up? I'll put away our dishes. Yeah. Okay. Kids, wake up. Oh. Huh? Yes? What? Oh. I'm holding you. One sec. Let me put you down. Okay, today, let me grab your glasses. Oh, I put yours on my bed. Let me get yours. We have to be quiet because your baby sister is still sleeping. Okay, let's take off these. Oh, put your stuffed animals up there. Okay, be quiet because I still have to wake your baby sister up and then we can talk normal. Oh my goodness. You're so... Okay, there. Put that up there. Okay, kids, go watch... Oh, not watch TV. TV. Oh my god, I said TV. Go eat your breakfast. Okay. Okay. I hate you. Wow. You're so mean. Okay. Kids, no fighting in the morning, early this morning. I'm gonna stand outside. What should they wear for the Watermelon Wave Club to get their suit? Oh, not their suitcases. Their stuff. Okay, their clothes. I got your clothes out. I'm gonna now get all my clothes. I'm gonna wear. What should I wear? I think I'm gonna wear this one. Teen Octopus. And we need to put that down there so we can wash it later. Okay. Okay, kids. Eat up. Eat up. Oops. Oh my. What happened to the glasses? Okay, kids, you done eating? Yeah. Yep. Okay, give me those dishes. Let's put them over there. Okay. I'm gonna brush my hair more. Okay. Let's wake up the baby. Good morning. So cute. Let's take off your sweater. Or your thing. Put that in there. Oh. Okay, let's put this on. We always put this on in the morning. Okay. Why is there two? There's two beds and stuff. I've just duplicated stuff because they have another kid, but they're gone right now. They're somewhere else, but it's fine. What should the baby have? The baby can eat some bread this morning. Cut the bread and put it in the toaster. Okay. The baby still eats stuff like this, but she also has warm milk to get our bottle up there. She likes it cold, so I'll just keep it cold. Take off her pacifier. Oh, okay. Oh, she was on the plate. There. Put that right there. Let's feed you. I think she likes it. Okay, she can put that, or I can. Okay, babe, come. Okay, hold the baby. Actually, no, she can hang outside. It's nice out today. I'm gonna get myself, oh, my bad. Me and my husband are going to eat some, what should we eat? We're gonna eat bacon. Oops. We're gonna eat some bacon. Why do you get to eat bacon and we have to eat this? Oops. Because me and Daddy are different than you. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. We need to brush our teeth. Brush. Oh. Brush. Yeah. E. Okay, we're done brushing our teeth. Now we wait. I need to brush my hair. I brush your hair. No, give it back. I brush my hair. Scarlett, you're so mean. This is why I hate you. Ugh. Who cares? Yeah, my hair. My hair's a mess. I'm just gonna ask Mommy later to brush my hair more. Josh, you could go now. Okay. My hair's already fine, so I don't really need to brush it. Do you wanna play karaoke? No, we have to get dressed, dummy. Ugh. You're so mean. I'm gonna put it on 9 and leave that down there so Daddy can put it in the washer. Scarlett, I can brush your hair. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Okay, for the beach. Okay, your hair's brushed. Oh no, I threw away the hairbrush. Daddy, you threw away the hairbrush. We'll just get a new one. Okay. Mommy, Daddy threw away the hairbrush. Oh, I'll order some. I'll order a hairbrush, so I guess it's fine. Oops. Picked up the plant. My bad. Let's grab the spatula to pick it up. Oh. Oh my goodness, stop going. Wait. Derek. Yes. Here. Thank you. You're welcome. Josh, come here. What, Mom? No, not you, Scarlett. Josh. Oh. job. Yes. Yes, mother. Yes. Yes. Here. Oh, that's mine. My bad. You're fine. My bad. Okay. Okay, now we can do karaoke, dummy. Can we sing this one? This is my favorite pop star. Ew, I hate him. Okay, too bad. I'm singing. Oh, blah 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 beep. Doop 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 doop. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Oh, nothing happened. Here, plate. Thank you. Kids, get ready to go to the watermelon wave club so we can pick up the bathing suits. Okay. Come out. Okay. One second. My God. My goodness. Bring some toys. My credit. Oh wait. This baby bag. I'm just gonna bring the baby bag. And we're gonna bring a zipper. Some of that. And that's it. And a towel. Put that. And this. I'm gonna bring my husband's too. Okay. Take that. Oh my God. There. And then I'ma fill up my Stanley dupe. Fill up my Stanley dupe. Stanley dupe with water. Okay. Slay, buddy, slay. Okay, okay. Go. Kids. What is... There. Okay. Aggressive. Come on. We're going. Hold the bag. Come on. Oh, no. Where? Oh. Okay. Get in there. Just like ASMR. Oh no. Don't look at my games. Don't. ASMR. Where's the... Oh. Oh, just a second. Loading. ASMR. Use nothing. Okay? You saw nothing. ASMR. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Yay! Hello. Okay, pick out your outfit. Okay. I want this one. Ooh. There's no boy ones. I don't like the soap. In we go. He. Boko. Nothing. Leave. Go to your parents. Okay. You can have this one. I'll have this watermelon one. You okay? Kid, you didn't even wait for it. We don't care. Okay. put this in there. No. Okay. I'm gonna have this. Fine. And then your mother will have this. No. Did that. You saw nothing. Yeah, that looks cute. No. Don't wear it yet. It's not even yours. Johnny, get the goggles. We need some goggles. Goggles? No. Actually, kids, yeah, you're gonna have goggles. Hold that. Okay, let's go. We're just gonna steal it, so you guys can't tell anything. We totally didn't steal. Wait, do I have... Never mind. Don't ask. Let's go. I don't... Oh, there's the breach. My bad. I thought I didn't have it for a second. Not okay. Ew, this ugly girl. Kids, we are here. Okay. We're here. Dad. Okay. Oh my god. My goodness. Okay. Neil, let's go. No. No. It won't. One sec. One sec. Ah. Sorry, I had to fix something. Ooh, ice cream. Hi. Hi. Can we get 2 ice cream? Or, yeah, 1 vanilla, 1 strawberry. Yeah. Yeah. Vanilla. Girl. Come on. There you go. Now you may go. But here. Okay. Danke. Goodbye. Goodbye. I will be sitting right there. Kids, you better behave. Also, get in your swimsuits. No. No. My goodness. No. Yes. Yes. I will get in right now. You watch after. You go in with the kids. I will be sunbathing with the babes. Take my glasses and eat my ice cream. My bad. I'm checking. Ooh, my bad. You know, I said nothing. Ooh, yeah, this hers. We said nothing about this, so you go in the trash. Okay, swim. Kids, stay clear. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What is that? Okay, there. There. No. Go in. You went in before. Never mind. There. Okay. Play with your toys. I will go over here and sun. Ew, this old that old man. Baby must stay close to the mother, so. Ew, Leos. Yeah. Wee. Nothing. My goodness. Kids, wait up. Yay. So fun. Wait, look, Daddy. Wow. Nice. Look, Dad. Wee. Shut up. Oh my God. We must go. Oh my God. I am just a French shark. Now leave me alone. Goodbye. Honey, are you... Come on. What? I can't. Okay, no more sea. Let's go. You can play in the sand. What the freak? Move. Ugly boy. Oh my God. Go swim with the shark. Yeah. Let's do a water fight. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yay. Oh. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video for today. Hope you guys like this Toca Boca, my first Toca Boca video. Make sure to like and subscribe. It would really help me out because, you know, I don't have a lot of subscribers right now. But yeah, you know, it'd help. Okay, love you guys. Peace.